Can you turn around, Natalie? Turn all the way around. Okay, come back. Now look at me. You sure are pretty with your hair braided. You're looking girl.
Well,
Okay, I'm getting it ready right now, so whenever you want to go
All the way around. Okay, turn all the way back around. Very good.
do this, Nanny.
You can let her go now.
Haley?
She's fine.
Lisa!
Say Duke.
Lisa!
Lisa, here's Duke. Lisa. Why don't you girls dance and she'll dance with you? Come on, jump around. She'll jump around with you.
Snow White, the Sleeping Beauty, jumped by her and she went.
Brian.
Sleeping Beauty.
Brian.
And who's Sleeping Beauty? Look at Mommy. Mommy. She can't find her.
Lay him down, Natalie.
Why? Snow White find her. And then Snow White dad. She ran away when she saw her dad. And she saw it. She saw it. And she saw the white looking.
Okay.
Mom, I was my first one. I was riding a motorcycle. Mom said, "Where's Mark?" And she said, "He's already home." What's that about? Motorcycle? And I went all the way home. You got all the more.
What'd you say?
The paper came out.
That's all right. Mark paid his tithing today.
Did I?
No.
You paid it for me.
No, I didn't.
Where's my dollar? Not anymore. But I still have a diamond quarter. Mom, not anymore.
Mark.
Maybe I put it in the diaper bag.
No, you gave it to me.
Well, then where is it, Paul?
I don't know. I just I lost it in my class. I had $2.
Talk, Mark.
Here's what's the girls over there?
What do you want for Christmas?
Well, guess.
He-Man.
Yeah. Something that Skeletor lives in.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. I want a motorcycle for Christmas. Hey, here goes my motorcycle. The red beep's not on.
Yeah, it is.
Skeletor.
I promise you.
Look.
It's just daylight and you can't see it very well.
Okay, watch my motorcycle. I want to get a motorcycle for Christmas. I can walk.
Hey, let us see Lisa. Turn around, Kim. Kim, turn around and look at Kate. Hi, Lisa. Turn around.
Gang. Stand up, Rock. Oh, you're up.
Oh. little with her. She's little.
Close up,
Hello, Brian. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
How about tucking in your shirt and let me take in your picture? And where's your jacket?
Dad has it.
Hello, Paul. Forgot his tie.
So? I don't want to pass that right.
Who's next? Oh, there's Miss Andrea. Hello, Andrea. You look beautiful.
Hello.
Hello, Kimberly. Ooh. Mark? Mark? Turn around.
Oh, they're skipping.
Mark!
They're skipping now.
Mark! I'm getting your best part. Where's Lisa?
We watched.
And why were you walking home, Natalie? Because why? Hey, well, I didn't get a good picture of you. Come back here. Kim, get Amy, would you? Kim, would you get Amy? Okay. Wait, stop. Andrea. Amy.
It's Amy, not Andy.
Amy, wait, she's got her head down on your shoulder.
Natalie ran the whole way.
Amy, turn her so I can see her, Kim.
Natalie ran the whole way. We watched you too.
Lisa, come here. Lisa.